The sound of music, harmony, or manipulation. Music, it's the universal language. It transcends borders, cultures, and even time itself. From the rhythmic beats of ancient drums to the complex symphonies of the modern era, music has always been a powerful force in human society. It can move us, soothe us, and inspire us. It has the power to evoke deep emotions, bring back memories, and even alter our moods in an instant. But what if music, as we know it, is not what it seems? What if there's a hidden layer beneath the melodies and harmonies that we are not aware of? What if the frequencies we're bombarded with daily are not about harmony, but control? Could it be that the very sounds we love are being used to manipulate us? These are the questions that keep conspiracy theorists up at night. They delve into the mysteries of sound and its potential to influence our thoughts and behaviors. And trust me, where there's smoke, there's fire. The idea that music could be used for manipulation isn't as far-fetched as it might seem. Think about it. Music is everywhere. It's an omnipresent part of our daily lives. We hear it in stores, restaurants, and even elevators. It's in the background of our favorite movies and TV shows, setting the mood and enhancing the experience. Our headphones are practically glued to our ears. We carry our personal soundtracks with us wherever we go. But what is this constant barrage of sound doing to our minds? Could it be affecting our brainwaves, our thoughts, and even our decisions? Some say it's nothing good. They argue that the relentless exposure to certain frequencies can have detrimental effects on our mental and physical health. They claim that the music industry, with its powerful figures and shadowy organizations, has tuned our reality to a specific frequency, 440 Hz, for a sinister purpose. Control. This frequency, they say, is not just a standard, but a tool for manipulation. This isn't about some tinfoil hat theory. It's about understanding the potential impact of sound on our lives. We're talking about the very fabric of our reality being manipulated through sound. The vibrations that travel through the air and into our ears could be shaping our perceptions in ways we don't fully understand. The evidence is out there. Researchers and scientists are beginning to uncover the profound effects of sound on the human mind and body. We just need to open our ears and listen. Pay attention to the sounds around us and question their impact. Listen not just to the music, but to the whispers of truth hidden beneath the surface. There are stories and secrets embedded in the frequencies that we need to uncover. Are we being played like instruments in a grand orchestra of manipulation? Are we the unwitting participants in a symphony of control? Let's dive in and find out. The truth is out there, waiting to be discovered. All we need to do is listen. To understand this conspiracy, we need to go back in time. We need to delve into the annals of history, to a time when the world was a very different place. Before the music industry as we know it existed, before radio and television, before the digital age, music was tuned to a different frequency, 432 Hz. This was a time when music was more than just entertainment. It was a profound experience. Proponents of this natural tuning claim that 432 Hz vibrates in harmony with the universe. They believe it creates a sense of peace and well-being. It resonates with the earth, with nature, and with the very essence of life itself, and with the human body itself. This frequency is said to align with our natural rhythms, promoting health and harmony. But something changed in the early 20th century. A shift occurred, a monumental shift that would alter the course of music history forever. A shift orchestrated by some of the most powerful figures in history. These were individuals with influence, with the ability to shape the world. The standard tuning pitch moved from 432 Hz to 440 Hz. This change was not just a minor adjustment, it was a deliberate act. Why would they do this? What were their motives? These questions have puzzled many and led to various theories. Some say it was all about control. Control over the masses, control over the way we think and feel. By slightly altering the frequency of music, they could alter our consciousness. This subtle change could have profound effects on our minds. They could make us more susceptible to suggestion, more easily manipulated. Think about it. Music is a powerful tool, and those who control it wield immense power. If you can control the music, you can influence emotions, thoughts, and even actions. You can control the masses. Music has the power to unite, to inspire, and to control. And those in power knew it. They understood the potential of music as a tool for influence and control, and they used it to their advantage. One name that frequently pops up in this conspiracy is Joseph Goebbels, the Nazi minister of propaganda. Goebbels was a master manipulator. He understood the power of media and its ability to shape public opinion. Some researchers claim that Goebbels was instrumental in pushing for the 440 Hz standard. They allege that the Nazis saw this frequency as a way to create anxiety and aggression, making populations easier to control. While evidence for direct involvement by Goebbels is debated, the possibility is chilling. The Nazis weren't the only ones interested in the power of sound. During World War II, both sides experimented with sonic warfare using sound waves as weapons. If sound can be used to induce fear and panic, imagine what it can do to our minds over a prolonged period. The plot thickens, doesn't it? The story doesn't end with the Nazis. In fact, the aftermath of World War II set the stage for a new kind of influence over the masses, one that would be wielded through the power of music. After World War II, the music industry exploded, and one family in particular played a significant role in shaping it: the Rockefellers. Their reach extended far beyond oil and banking. They saw an opportunity in the burgeoning music scene. Now the Rockefellers are known for their wealth and influence, but some say their interests in the music industry were less than philanthropic. They were strategic, understanding that music could be a tool for both cultural influence and financial gain. In 1953, the International Organization for Standardization, allegedly influenced by the Rockefellers, officially adopted 440 Hz as the standard tuning pitch. This decision wasn't just about music, it was about control. This cemented the frequency's dominance in the music industry. Coincidence? Perhaps. But the implications were far-reaching, affecting how music was produced and consumed globally. But when you follow the money, things often become clearer. The Rockefellers and their allies had the means and the motive to shape the industry to their advantage. Some researchers believe that the Rockefellers, along with other powerful entities, saw the potential for profit and control in the music industry. They understood that by standardizing the tuning pitch, they could influence the very fabric of musical experience. By promoting 440 Hz, they could ensure that the music we listened to kept us locked in a particular state of mind, one that was conducive to their broader goals, a state of mind that benefited them. This subtle yet powerful influence over the masses through music is a testament to the far-reaching impact of the Rockefellers' strategic decisions. Section 5. Discordant frequencies, 440 Hz and its alleged effects. So, what's so bad about 440 Hz? Proponents of the conspiracy argue that this frequency creates discord within the human body and mind. They claim it can lead to increased anxiety and stress, emotional instability, reduced creativity and intuition, and a disconnection from nature and our natural state of being. Think about the music you hear on the radio. Is it relaxing and uplifting, or is it filled with tension and anxiety? Could this constant exposure to 440 Hz be contributing to the stress and anxiety epidemic we see in the world today? It's a question worth asking. Section 6. The healing power of 432 Hz, resonating with nature. On the flip side, proponents of 432 Hz argue that this frequency has a calming, healing effect on the body. They claim it resonates with the Earth's natural frequency, known as the Schumann resonance, promoting relaxation and well-being, increased focus and concentration, enhanced creativity and intuition, and a deeper connection to nature and ourselves. Some musicians have even reported that music tuned to 432 Hz sounds warmer, fuller, and more harmonious. So, if 432 Hz is so beneficial, why haven't we heard about it? Why is it being suppressed? The answer, according to conspiracy theorists, is simple: control. Those in power don't want us to be balanced and in tune with ourselves. They want us anxious, fearful, and easily manipulated. Section 7. Music as a weapon: mind control through sound. The idea of using music for mind control might seem like something out of a science fiction movie, but there's a disturbing amount of truth to it. Governments and militaries worldwide have been researching and developing sonic weapons for decades. These weapons use sound waves to disorient, incapacitate, or even cause physical harm to their targets. While these weapons are typically used in warfare or riot control, the technology exists. The question is, could it be used on a larger scale, on an unsuspecting population? Could the music we listen to every day be subtly influencing our thoughts, emotions, and behaviors? If you control the frequencies, you control the mind. It's a chilling thought. Section 8. breaking free from the matrix, reclaiming our sonic sovereignty. So what can we do? Are we doomed to be slaves to the 440 Hz frequency? Absolutely not. There are ways to fight back, to reclaim our sonic sovereignty. The first step is awareness. Once you're aware of the potential for manipulation, you can start to make different choices. Listen to 432 Hz music. You can find music online that's been tuned to 432 Hz. Use a 432 Hz tuning fork. Regularly listening to a 432 Hz tuning fork can help retune your body and mind. Spend time in nature. Connecting with nature can help you realign with the Earth's natural frequencies. It's about taking back control of your sonic environment. Section 9. The Frequency of Truth, a Call to Awareness. The 440 Hz conspiracy is just one example of how our reality can be manipulated in subtle ways. It's a reminder to question everything, to do your own research, and to trust your intuition. The truth may be out there, but it's up to us to seek it out. So the next time you listen to music, ask yourself, am I listening to harmony or manipulation? The answer might surprise you.